Alright, so what I've done is I put in all the little plastic or metal pieces into the original holders. Quite a few are missing. I bought these are all reproductions. They were only about 20 bucks for a pack of 30, so they weren't too expensive. But original ones were teal. But the thing is with these, they're really loose in there. So once it's mounted in there, it'll be fine. But for installing, it makes it a little bit more difficult. So I already put in the plastic. And it looks like it's going to line up pretty easy for us. So I'm just going to adjust all these to fit in the holes, which is going to be the hardest part.
Last I got that sinking in my stomach from that love. Of course it's got me thinking's got me flummoxed from the cause.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
I'm always trying to see through your flaws, 'cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though, 'cause I can go to sleep when I'm alone again. Say you wanna fix our problems, how long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.